Welcome to MIT School of Distance Education. Our focus extends beyond just delivering education. We are deeply committed to crafting a transformative academic journey for each and every learner. We believe in empowering futures through academic excellence and innovative initiatives. At MIT SDE, our aspirations extend far beyond the conventional boundaries of education. Our BHAG, Big Hairy Audacious goal is to transform 100 million lives. This is not just a number, it's a deeply held commitment to democratize education and empower individuals, especially those in the most undeserved communities. A core element of this vision is reaching those who lack access to quality education, particularly underprivileged learners in villages. We believe that talent and potential exist everywhere, and it is our responsibility to bridge the opportunity gap. Education is the most powerful catalyst for transformation, and we are determined to make it accessible to all. When we say accessible to all, it means we are catering to the educational needs of working professionals, regular students, as well as those who are in need of the education. Our dedication to providing unparalleled opportunities is clearly demonstrated by the remarkable milestones our students achieve. For instance, we are thrilled to highlight the selection of MIT SDE students for prestigious international internships at Kyoto University through KU STAR program, providing them with invaluable global exposure and experience. Imagine the transformative power of connecting a learner in a remote village with a world-class educational resources and mentorship through a collaborative online platform. By working together internationally, we can provide access to digital literacy, vocational training, and even higher education opportunities that were previously unimaginable. Recognizing the importance of industry readiness, MIT SDE has forged strong collaborations with leading organizations like KPMG and EY. Through these strategic partnerships, we offer value-added certifications in business analytics, domain analytics, and financial certifications as well, integrated directly into our curriculum and programs, equipping our learners with a high sought-after skills and competitive edge from day one. To ensure our learners remain at the forefront of technological advancements, we have strategically launched cutting-edge programs within our technical offerings, including in-demand skills like artificial intelligence, SQL, Power BI, and UI/UX, to name a few. These additions reflect our proactive approach to shaping a curriculum that meets the evolving needs of the industry. The way we teach is just as crucial as what we teach. We have consciously shifted our pedagogy to emphasize case study discussions, fostering critical thinking, problem-solving abilities, and a deeper understanding of real-world applications. This active learning approach empowers our students to become confident and capable professionals. The effectiveness of our initiatives is clearly reflected in the positive outcomes and high satisfaction levels of our learners. We are proud to share a Net Promoter Score of 70%, a testament to the value and impact of the MIT SDE experience through these testimonials. Furthermore, we actively conduct numerous bootcamp sessions on training tools like Python, R, AI, ensuring our students are proficient in the latest technologies. At MITSD, our achievements speak volumes about our commitment to your success. From global internships and industry-recognized certifications to future-focused programs and an engaging learning environment, we are dedicated to elevating your academic journey and empowering your future. So, let's discover the MITSD advantages. Connect with MITSD on www.mitsd.com or connect with us today on the social media platforms like LinkedIn Learning, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and many more. Do not forget to connect with me through your comments, likes, and shares. Thank you.